With the crypto space crowded with news and tokens, you have probably missed the latest crucial Bitcoin update. Have you heard about Bitcoin runes? Probably not. Welcome to the new frontier of meme coins, this time on the Bitcoin blockchain. These aren't your typical fungible tokens, they are high-risk, high-reward assets with the potential for 100x returns. And today we'll demystify Bitcoin runes, answer questions like whether they're worth investing in, where to find them, and how to create and trade the most promising ones. I'm Jack. Let's go. Before we dive into what Bitcoin runes are, let's take a quick journey through the history of token standards on the Bitcoin's network. The journey began with the Ethereum blockchain and its ERC20 token standard, which sets the stage for the creation of fungible tokens, assets that are identical and interchangeable. This innovation sparked a revolution in the crypto space, leading to the development of various token standards across different blockchains. On the Bitcoin network, the first significant step towards tokenization came with colored coins. These were small Bitcoin denominations that could be marked or colored to represent other assets. Colored coins demonstrated Bitcoin's potential for assets representation, but lacked a formal standard and widespread adoption due to their complexity and limited functionality. The introduction of the Taproot upgrade in November 2021 marked a turning point for Bitcoin. Taproot improved transaction efficiency and privacy, enabling more complex scripts. This upgrade facilitated the creation of the Bitcoin's Ordinals protocol, launched on January 20, 2023. Ordinals allowed for the inscription of satoshis, the smallest unit of Bitcoin, with unique data, effectively turning them into NFTs and expanding asset representation possibilities on the Bitcoin's blockchain. Despite the excitement around Ordinals, the protocol faced criticism for causing network congestion. To address this, BRC20 and CRC20 token standards were developed to create fungible tokens on Bitcoin without the drawbacks of Ordinals. However, these protocols also encountered challenges, particularly with unspent transaction output, which further cluttered the network. Nevertheless, the OD token, the first issued BRC20 token, achieved a significant milestone by surpassing a $1.8 billion valuation. Its price surged from $3 to over $30, indicating growing interest in Ordinals inscribed assets and their impact on Bitcoin's network dynamics. Okay, now let's talk about Bitcoin runes, a protocol introduced by Casey Rodarmor, the creator of the Ordinals protocol. Runes were designed to be a more efficient and scalable way to create fungible tokens on the Bitcoin's blockchain. According to Casey's blog, while creating a new fungible token protocol may seem controversial due to scams and unserious projects, the potential benefits for Bitcoin are substantial. A well-designed protocol could attract transaction fee revenue, developer interest, and a broader user base. To simplify token management and reduce network spam, the protocol uses Bitcoin's native UTXO model and the LP return opcode function. Each transaction encapsulates essential data like the token's name, ID, symbol, and commands with a concise 80-byte output, optimizing network's bandwidth. Unlike other protocols, runes won't depend on off-chain data like RGB and Taproot assets do, and they don't need a native token for operations like OmniLayer and Counterparty. This way, users can create and manage multiple tokens easily on-chain. Runes will also be compatible with the Lightning Network, allowing transactions to avoid delays and high fees, all on the Bitcoin's network. Sounds great, right? So the three most notable Bitcoin runes right now are Dog Go to the Moon, RCIC Genetic Rune, and Satoshi Nakamoto. Despite recent price declines, they remain popular in the market. As you might have noticed, runes often sport long and unusually formatted names displayed in all caps. This quirkiness serves a purpose: to prevent name squatting or name theft. The protocol enforces a minimum and maximum name length, which gradually reduces over time, each 4 months. The current name size ranges from 17 to 28 characters. Runes names must be unique, regardless of spaces, and cannot include numbers. Meanwhile, spacers, dots, enhance readability. This way, it's allowed to create multiple fungible tokens with names like Dog or Satoshi and identify them by a longer one. When considering the investment potential of Bitcoin runes, it's essential to address obviously emerged controversies. After an initial surge post-Bitcoin halving, metrics have shown a more than 50% drop in new runes, trades and fees. Although the decline coincides with a broader market downturn, such as switching activity paints a picture of waning interest. So, are they still worth investing? Despite the recent decline, Bitcoin runes still hold potential. The overall market cap for tokens on the Bitcoin network has reached significant figures, indicating some level of market confidence. Moreover, the runes have shown themselves as a decent, meme coin-orientated gambling arena. This suggests that while the interest may have waned, the potential for growth still exists. However, it's important to remember that with 2/3 of runes currently in the red, the risks associated with early-stage technologies are evident. The market's initial excitement has driven up prices for related tokens, but the true market potential is expected to emerge once the hype settles actually. This highlights the volatility and unpredictability of investing in Bitcoin runes. Also, Bitcoin runes have faced criticism for their impact on Bitcoin's network. Following the launch and 81% of transaction domination, runes caused significant network congestion, leading to a spike in transaction fees. This has led to criticism from some quarters, including Bitcoin core developer Luke Dashir, who suggested that the runes protocol exploits a fundamental design flaw within the Bitcoin blockchain network. But still, as the major hype has settled, the fees now went lower than the pre-halving state, and the runes now continue to outperform the BRC20. So while Bitcoin runes offer an exciting new avenue for expanding Bitcoin's functionality, potential investors should approach with caution. For those looking to get their hands on runes, here are the top 3 marketplaces to consider. OKX, as a leading exchange for runes, this platform offers fee-free trading of runes on mobile devices. You can create, mint, manage and trade runes with ease. OKX has introduced etching, allowing you to set immutable properties for each rune. The marketplace is intuitive whether accessed via web or app and showcases the top performing assets in real time. Magic Eden. Here you can use BTC to purchase runes and ordinals through the Magic Eden wallet. The platform is planning to launch a swaps view feature which will let you allocate a specific BTC amount for buying runes. Unisat. Specializing in Bitcoin network services, Unisat's marketplace offers minting, etching, and runes management. It prides itself on being a pioneer with its open-source browser extension wallet for Bitcoin NFTs. Okay, to start buying runes, follow these simple steps. First, select a marketplace. Look for a reputable BTC runes marketplace that supports the runes you're interested in. Community platforms can be a great resource to gauge user experiences with different marketplaces. Second step, deposit Bitcoin. You'll need to deposit Bitcoin into your wallet to cover transaction fees on the Bitcoin's network. Browse and buy. Do your research on the runes you're interested in and make an informed purchase. Remember, the crypto world is often driven by hype, so understanding the project is crucial. Runes marketplaces not only offer a platform for buying these unique tokens, but also contribute to the growth of the Bitcoin's ecosystem. The rules to minimize risks when trading Bitcoin runes are pretty basic. Consider diversifying your investments across various cryptocurrencies and asset classes to balance potential losses and gains, and set clear trading parameters such as profit targets and stop-loss limits to avoid emotional decisions during market volatility, ensuring you lock in gains and cap losses effectively. Prioritize security by using hardware wallets, enabling two-factor authentication, and staying vigilant against phishing scams by using only trusted exchanges and platforms. Regularly update your software and monitor accounts for suspicious activity to protect your assets from cyber threats. If you want to create your own rune, you'll need to follow a process known as etching. Here is a step-by-step guide. First, connect your wallet. Ensure your Bitcoin wallet is connected to a platform that supports rune creation, such as Unisat or Xverse. Next, you will need to fill in rune information. Enter the details of your rune, including its unique information and attributes. Some platforms also provide the option to include a pre-mine, allowing you to allocate a certain portion of the rune to yourself before it becomes available to the public. Confirm the transaction. Review the estimated etch fee and confirm the transaction within your connected wallet. Finally, etch your rune. Once confirmed, your rune will be etched onto the Bitcoin's blockchain, making it a part of the secure network. Whether it's a playful meme or a serious representation, etching your rune is quite a creative endeavor. And that's it for the video. Hope you learned some more info on Bitcoin and on runes. Like, follow, comment as always. And remember, investing in emerging technologies like Bitcoin runes can be both exciting and risky, so stay informed, do your research, and approach with caution. Whether you decide to dive into the runes or not, keep your eyes on the crypto horizon. And until next time, happy investing!